Is calibrated by first pressing the test switch to ensure the display indicates 0. As the marker is alternately covered and uncovered, the calibration gain control is adjusted so that the display indicates the stated value of the reference. Once the calibration is complete, the system is ready for operation. The driver aligns the left wheel with the markers with the speed between 20 and 50 miles per hour. Each marker is automatically measured with no attention from the driver. The values are displayed on the digital readout as well as the paper tape. The short tone indicates a marker has been detected. Alignment is very critical. If the beam does not strike the entire marker, reading errors could result. This prototype measurement system provides a new tool to use for highway and laboratory evaluation of raised pavement markers.